Hi everyone, my name is Nataliia, and I'm one of the Student Content Shapers at the University of Birmingham. I'm an international student from Ukraine, so I understand firsthand how difficult it can be to pack before the first time you arrive at the university. So here's a list of things that you will need in the UK. Just a quick note, don't be afraid if you forget one of these things, because you can easily buy them here after your arrival at such stores as Aldi, Tesco or Sainsbury's. Number 1 is don't forget to bring your umbrella. Unfortunately, it's typical of the British weather to be wet and windy, so it's always useful to keep a brolly on you. Number 2 is a pair of your most comfortable sneakers. Comfortable shoes are a must for walking around the campus and the city center. Number 3 is a warm and waterproof jacket. Talking of the weather, the UK is colder than some other countries, so make sure you bring a warm and waterproof jacket for walking around campus and the city. But don't worry, once again, you can buy it here. Number 4 is a good backpack. For carrying your tech, books, and snacks. Also, don't forget to bring some of your favorite foods and snacks from home that you think might be a little bit harder to find in the UK. Also, don't forget to bring an adapter and your gadgets. Number 6 is your headphones. Headphones are very useful for studying and blocking out the noise, especially in public places like the library. Number 7 is medication. Don't worry, there will be a pharmacy close by 100%, but it might be worth bringing medication that you're used to from home, at least for the first time. Number 8 is your documents. And lastly, perhaps the most important thing, don't forget all of your main documents. Thank you so much for watching this video, and in the comments below, say which tip was your favorite.